Mom, who is that woman?
She is our new neighbor. She looks angry. Let's be polite. Ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Doty. Don't talk to me. That was rude. Stay calm.
Her name is Mrs. Blake.
She is not nice.
She kicked our ball.
That is not okay.
Why is she so mean?
Maybe she has problems.
She shouted at me! I got this water!
I will talk to her.
Mrs. Blake, please be kind.
This is my street. We share this space.
I don't care. She scares me. Don't worry, Gawara. Don't worry. She took my toy! What?
What?
What? She said it's hers now. That is wrong.
I will ask for it back.
Be careful. Please return the toy.
No, it's mine.
That is not true.
Prove it! This is unfair. She lies. She lies.
I am sad.
We will fix this.
Your kids are noisy. They are just playing. Playing? What? I hate noise. That's not kind. Please respect us.
You respect me.
You the Benyan. This is not fair.
Nut. She is too much.
I will call the police. Hey?
For what? Wait.
What? And for your noise. That is silly.
She is lying again. I don't like her.
Stay calm, kids.
We must be smart.
I will win. We will see.
I feel angry.
Control your anger.
This is not right.
Justice will come. I saw everything.
Thank you, Tom. She took the toy.
Oh, that helps us.
We have proof! Yes!
Let's stay calm.
Truth is strong.
You are all liars! No, we are not.
We have witnesses!
I don't care. You should stop. Never.
Why is she like this?
I don't know.
Some people are selfish.
But karma is real.
What is karma?
Actions come back.
So bad actions come back?
Yes, they do. I understand now.
Good. My car is gone! What? Someone took it!
That is serious.
Did you park wrong? Maybe.
The sign says, no parking.
Oh no!
The police took it.
That is the rule.
This is unfair. Ratter. Rules matter.
Karma?
Karma?
Maybe.
Stay respectful.
Always. I must pay money.
Oh,
That is expensive. Huh. Yes.
Yes.
This is your fault. No, it is not.
You broke the rule!
I didn't see. I didn't see.
Yeah.
You shouted at us and took my toy.
Please think. Please think.
Actions have results.
I understand. Go. Do you feel sorry? Yes.
Will you return my toy?
Yes, I will. That is good. Thank you. I am sorry. Really?
yes, I was wrong.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Apology is important.
We accept it. Done it. None of it.
I was angry. Why? I lost my job. I am sorry.
That is sad. But kindness matters.
Pumpkin.
You can change.
I will try.
We can help each other.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's start again.
Yes.
Here is your ball. Thank you.
You smile now.
I feel better.
Kindness feels good. It does. No more fighting.
No more.
Peace is nice. Yes.
I regret everything.
That is okay.
Learn from it.
I will.
We forgive you.
I know.
Thank you.
Friends?
Friends? Friends?
This is a new start.
Yes.
Karma is real. Yes. Always choose kindness.
Always.
I learned my lesson.
Listen.
Good.
What did you learn? Me too.
Be kind, always.
Perfect. Even when others are not. Exactly.
Thank you for teaching me.
Farewell.
You're welcome.
We are all human.
Yanti.
Yeah. Yes.
We make mistakes. True.
But we can winners, Inga.
But we can change. Yes. Today is peaceful. I like it.
No more shouting.
No more stress.
I feel calm now.
Calm now.
Good.
Let's play together. Okay.
This is nice.
Okay. Very nice.
Very nice. From anger to peace. Big change.
Remember this lesson.
I will. Yeah.
Karma hits hard. Very hard. Very hard.
But it teaches us.
Yes.
Wow.
kind.
Every day. Every day.
I promise. Good. Good.
We are proud of you. Thank you.
Then other Chagoru. Thank you. Thank you.
That is brave.
Oh, thank you.
Growth is important.
Period.
Very important.
We are happy now.
So happy!
Me too. Ah. Great. Great.
Family and neighbors together.
Perfect.
Kindness wins.